Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes how to enable app and browser control in Windows 11. First method is type app and browser control in Windows search bar. Second method is update Windows. Third method is type Windows Security in Windows search bar, click App Settings. Repair and reset. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.